Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Betterview for insurance inspections, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Betterview for insurance inspections, start by navigating to the Betterview login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password, checking your email for the reset link. Once you've entered your email and password, click the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to the Betterview dashboard. In case of incorrect login details, a notification will appear. Double-check your email and password for accuracy and try again. If you encounter any issues, consider clearing your browser's cache and cookies before retrying. For two-factor authentication, ensure that your mobile device is ready to receive a verification code. After logging in, you may be prompted to verify your identity with a code sent to your registered mobile number. Enter the code into the provided field to complete the verification process. Now you have successfully authenticated with Betterview. Explore the dashboard for a comprehensive overview of your inspection tasks. Familiarize yourself with the interface to streamline your workflow. If further assistance is needed, consult the Betterview support section. You are now ready to perform insurance inspections using Betterview's platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.